Hey, so you see the package from the Droplet Lab?
Yeah, I'm excited to open it up.
Well,
Shall we?
go ahead then,
Please.
since you're so excited.
Yep.
Oh, that's the phone, the heart of the whole matter?
Yes, and that's a Google Pixel. It's just a
Smart
Google phone that's going to be doing all. We're going to be doing all the. We use the app as a camera for the calculation as well. So that's going to be our phone.
Put the box away, so. All right, so I hand to you the syringe, right?
Exactly. This is the gas tight syringe, and I got a couple of them here, and they have the screw here for precise diffusing, and yeah, we got a couple of them.
Needle later on top, right?
Exactly. So this is going to be for dispensing the liquids, and we have the base plate. That's the main one. So we have these two lines here. We're going to attach everything on it.
Okay. So let me give you the light source first.
Okay, so this is the light source. We're going to do backlighting to maximize the contrast. So you can just use this backlight. You put it, maybe you fix it in this side.
And you put this or no?
Well, this end is going to be the backlight, and the other end will be the camera. So you just want
back end. You can put the light there as well.
You can put it either or. You just have to have them facing each other, and it's very easy. Here, magnetic switches that keeps it in place.
Oh, and you can move it around if you want with this.
Yeah, you can easily.
And then locks it again in place.
Exactly.
Well, that's very cool. Okay.
Very easy fix. Then we have on the other side, we're gonna have the phone holder. Again, easy fixing here with the magnetics.
Oh, I see what you mean. That you sort of have them face one another.
Exactly.
Either end really doesn't.
Lug it in place. I'm gonna have the phone here. This is the phone holder. I can add it, adjust it this way, and then I have the lighting here on the other side.
I see.
Now,
should I give you the platform for the syringe? I think this is where the syringe.
This is for the manual syringe. So we can have this one also adjusted in between. So we need this mount for it.
I see.
So we can adjust it here.
Right, because I noticed that the automatic one had already the syringe pre-mounted, because I suppose this is more sophisticated system.
That's right. Okay. For this one, it's more simpler. You can just slide it in here and then keep it in place. And then eventually you can add the needle in this mount, of course. So I bring my needle, I can open this up, have the needle in there, and then tighten it.
And hold it in place, I see.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's for the manual diffusing system, yeah.
If you're dispensing, right? So this would be as is for the surface tension measurement.
That's right.
If you would like to do the contact angle measurements, static, advancing, or receding, then you need this stage, right? This is what I saw in the video that they had online, Droplet Lab.
Exactly. This one is the flat stage. Let me move this a little bit here. So we can add this stage, which is just a flat for any SEIL drop measurements. But I can also have different type of stages here.
Nice. It has the level, so you know that if your surface is completely level or not.
You have to level
you can make
surface
adjustments, coarse adjustments here as well for the leveling.
That's right.
Okay.
And then we have different types of surfaces. We have the one that's dedicated for fabric. So this is a fabric stage.
And put the other one in?
That's right. So if you're going to do measurements on fabrics, we're going to need the fabric stage.
Stage, right. And these are, I suppose, that you wrap it around and it locks in place.
Exactly.
With these screws here to have the fabric stretched to make a proper measurements.
That's right. Cool. And this one for the SEIL. I also know that there is another one for tilting measurements.
Okay, so you can take that out.
Of course.
Let me give you this one. This must be the manual tilting.
Exactly. So this one is going to be also fixed right here, again with the magnet, and then we can adjust the tilting of the stage. Manual.
Oh, I noticed that they also have the motorized version.
You want more precision? We can do it with the automated one. Definitely with the second one.
This the same place?
Yes. We're gonna need to make room for it.
Yes. Okay, and I see the wire connectors here to get connected to the power. Okay. Yeah. Okay, here you can mount it if you want. Okay, very good. I think that's a wrap.
Mm-hmm.